Hi there! Today we're crocheting a cute 7-petal flower bookmark, a sweet and simple project that makes a lovely gift or a stylish page marker. Grab your 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm hook, and let's get started. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet ideas. For round 1, start by chaining 6, then slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. Great job! This little ring will be the center of our flower. Simple and clean. You're off to a strong start. Now for round 2. Into the ring, work the following. Chain 3, make 2 unfinished extended double crochets, chain 3, then repeat 3 unfinished extended double crochets, chain 3, and slip stitch to join. Tip: don't finish your extended stitches. Just keep the last loop on the hook each time so we can gather them all together. This helps create a puffed petal effect. Awesome! Your petal bases are now shaping up beautifully. Let's bring them to life in the next round. Let's move on to round 3, the most magical part. You'll repeat this 7 times around the circle. Chain 5, make 3 unfinished extended double crochets, chain 4, slip stitch, chain 5, slip stitch. Once you complete all 7, finish with a slip stitch to close the round. Tip: you should have 7 beautiful fluffy petals by now. Keep your tension even so each petal fans out nicely. Flower. For the stem and leaves, start from where you ended your flower. Chain 60 to make the long stem. Then turn, skip 1 chain, and work the following pattern: 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. Then chain 1 to form the leaf tip and repeat in reverse. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. Slip stitch to finish. Tip: the curved shape comes from the stitch height, tallest in the center, smaller at the ends. You've just crocheted a lovely leaf. Beautiful job. Your flower bookmark is ready to brighten up any page. And there you have it, your own handcrafted 7-petal flower bookmark. If you enjoyed making this, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more adorable crochet ideas. Tag me if you share your creations online. I'd love to see them. Until next time, happy crocheting and happy reading.